Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the skate error code 21948788129. The error reads, "There was an issue validating your account's permissions." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to join a friend's party but are unable to do so. As per our research, the error looks related to account validation or permissions issues, especially when trying to connect with other players. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the game and then restart your device. Once restarted, make sure your game is updated to the latest version, then check for the error. If the error still comes, try validating the game files through Steam or the EA app. Simply use the Verify Files or Repair option depending on the platform you are using, and then check for the error again. If the error persists, search for the friend in the skate game and re-add them. Once they are added again, check if this resolves the error. If the error continues, check if anyone in the friend's party is not added to your friend list. If someone is not added, add them to your friend list and try again. At last, if the error still persists, go to Help, ea.com server status, and check if the EA or skate servers are down. If the servers are down, you may have to wait until they are back online. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.